Hey everyone, welcome back to The Curious Creator. Today, we take you inside the latest innovation of the U.S. Navy, drone boats. The United States Navy has always been at the forefront of technological advancements in military operations. And now, with the rise of unmanned and autonomous technologies, the Navy is once again breaking new ground. These unmanned vessels are equipped with state-of-the-art AI technology, making them faster, smarter, and more effective than ever before. But how exactly do they work? Inside the control room, engineers and military personnel work together to monitor and direct the drone boats. Using a combination of sensors, cameras, and GPS, they can control the boats remotely and gather valuable intelligence in real time. These drone boats are fast, nimble, and highly maneuverable, making them ideal for a range of military operations. From patrolling coastlines to conducting reconnaissance missions, they are an invaluable asset to the U.S. Navy. The development of unmanned technologies is a game-changer for the Navy. With these drone boats, they can operate more efficiently and effectively, while also minimizing risk to their personnel. But the capabilities of these drone boats go beyond just military operations. They could also be used in a range of civilian applications, such as oceanic research or maritime security. The applicability of drones in various combat spaces seems endless, so it is no surprise that U.S. Navy drone ships are actually a thing. In fact, the U.S. Navy's Chief of Naval Operations Navigation Plan 2022 calls for 373 manned ships and 150 unmanned ships for a total of 523 ships by 2045. So there you have it, a glimpse inside the latest innovation of the U.S. Navy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.